2, 1.
In May, severe floods resulting from heavy torrential rain submerged and washed away the bridge at Katonga, causing significant disruptions to transportation and commerce along the Masaka-Kampala highway. The floods also compelled motorists to utilize the much longer Mpigi-Butambala-Sembabule road as an alternative route for transport. In response to providing a quick fix, the government contracted China Communications Construction Company CCC Limited in June to build a temporary steel bridge at Katonga River to divert traffic as the company reconstructs the damaged section. General Katumba Wamala, the Minister for Works and Transport, on Friday opened the temporary bridge for use. It is capable of carrying up to 60 tons of load at any given time.
The Katonga Bridge for use to all vehicles of the agreed and standard weight. don't overload your vehicle and you say they open the Katonga, I can overload. We shall be monitoring the weight of the vehicles which are going to use this road. So now the road is going to have two, like on the bridge, there will be 2 lanes. The vehicles from Masaka will use the normal lane, the one which has been there, and the vehicles from Kampala will use the temporary diversion which has been created. And we hope and we expect discipline in the use of this facility so that all of us can benefit out of it. There will be clear signage on which side of the road you use. Please, drivers, be of discipline. Don't argue with the traffic controllers saying, for me, I want to use this side and not the other side, because the diversion cannot allow vehicles bypassing each other. So let's be disciplined on that.
According to the minister, the reconstruction of the Katonga Bridge will last 2 years. The government awarded over 150 billion shillings in contracts to the Chinese company to undertake the engineering works.
We normally have heightened crashes during Christmas season. It's my appeal to the citizens and Ugandans that, one, let's be disciplined on the road. As we use these roads, let's be disciplined. Most of the accidents, and the traffic officers are here, they have told us, and the records are clear, that most of the accidents are as a result of indiscipline, of human error. I think many of you have even seen where some bus drivers have been recorded driving a bus and doing a tweeting on a phone. How can that person be concentrating on the road? So let's be disciplined on the road. Avoid drinking and driving, because many of you want to have fun as you are going into Christmas, and you misuse the alcohol.
Transporters using heavy vehicles expressed their happiness towards the opening of this temporary bridge, especially coming during the busy festive season.
Gov'T Kayawe Town Council n'enkozesa bu county nga mukimanya akaseera ke tumaze nga oluguudo luno lusiiziddwako naddala emmotoka enkozi z'emirimu ate nga ze zisinga okuyambako ekitundu okukulaakulana n'okusaabaza ebyamaguzi. Tubadde n'okusannyalala kunene ate jjukira tubaddewo wano ng'emirimu gikolebwa gigenda mu maaso naye nga tewali bugezi bwonna butusobozesa kuyisaamu mmotoka ezo enneetisi. Mujjukire wano tulina ekizinga kyaffe bannaffe balunda enkoko, naye tubadde n'ekizibu ky'emmere n'okutambuza amagi n'ebirala. Ekirala okudabulinga entambula abalimi b'ennyaanya, lumonde nga tutikka ku bumotoka obutono ne bupikipiki buno obw'obuyumba, ate n'oddamu n'otikkula n'otikka nga ogenda okutuuka mu katale ng'amagoba kumpi ne kapito nga biweddeko. Nolwekyo tuli basanyufu nnyo okulaba ng'oluguudo luno luguddwawo, era tusuubira nti ennyingiza egenda kukulya kirungi. Mbutuufu embeera ebadde mbi, naye olwaleero luno mbadde omu ku bajulizi ababaddewo ng'oluguudo luno luggulwawo, era emmotoka ennene tuleera eya kooko yeesoose okuyita ku luguudo luno. Nyongera okwebaza minisita w'ebyentambula General Katumba Wamala
obutatulimba n'atusuubiza essaawa 2 ne zituuka zennyini nga waali twapakinze dde emmotoka nkakasa ntugenda
Kiwagonja. Taata ndi omu ku batuuze ba wano Katonga era ndi omu ku bakozi b'oku gas line. Ekiro ekyo kisinga tukosa ennyo nga nze omukozi wa wali byebintu bya mukama waffe owa restaurant ne supermarket by'abaleze ku gas line okulaba ate nga bitikkirwa oli eka yabwe jasira akamotoka katono nnyo basaka ate piki ezibisomba nga
The temporary steel bridge is 100 meters long and will be a cardinal passage for an estimated 30,000 vehicles that cross it every day. The Kampala-Masaka highway links Uganda to neighboring Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, among others.